Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 18th, 2022. We are going to talk about Cardano and why, one of the biggest reasons why we can see price go lower. Now, before I talk about that, welcome everyone. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do this. This is what I do. I do price predictions. I make sure that we predict and see where price is going to go so that we have the opportunity to profit from the move. You guys want to learn more? If you guys want to learn how to do this for yourself, then you need to join me. And you join me by hitting the like button, sharing, and also subscribing to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well if you're trying to learn how to walk on your own as you move through the cryptocurrency space, because you can learn so much from what is being created on my content. Check this out. I did a video in Cardano or ADA on August the 1st. Yes, here it is right here. I'm showing to you right now in ADA that I was expecting the price in ADA to move higher, and it did. Fantastic move. Now, I told you where the market was suspected to top out. Look at that right here on the 14th. So I did a video on the 1st. 14 days later, the market came up there to around 60 cents. I told you all that. And look at that. 17%, right? Pretty good. This is how powerful knowing how the market moves, because you know when you could get in and when you need to leave. You need to leave at some point in order to capitalize, in order to grab the profit, in order to make the money. You have to know when to leave. I told you all you should have left around 60 cents, because now the price in ADA is around 54 cents. So if not 17%, I mean, we're still sitting profitable. If we were to get out the market now, we have 5%. Hey, that's how we got to do it. It's how we got to do it. We're going to make money. We'll take 17%. We'll take 5% as long as it's more than what we went into to play with. That's how we do this. All right. So let's go ahead and cut that out. And now let me give you the biggest reason why ADA could have topped out just by looking at the chart, because we already have history on this price chart that tells us that this market may have already topped out in ADA. Now that may just be momentarily, okay, that we topped out. Let me show you where the area is first. The area is right here, okay, around that 60-cent price that I told you where we needed to take the profitability out on the last play right there. This is the big reason, because we can see that back in May, price in ADA could not trade above 60. And then again, in the beginning of June, we were hovering around that 60-cent price. Price came immediately back down, right? And here we are again today, back up here around 60 cents, and price is coming back down. So yes, this area is being seen as where the sellers are positioned. This is where the sellers are at. And if the sellers are here, then that means that the buyers will have to open up their wallets and buy up whoever is selling at 60 cents in order for the price to break out and go higher. And over the last 4 days in ADA, we've seen that, but it looked like the buyers are trying to close their wallets. Now they're not trying to buy ADA up there around 60 cents no more. So we have a downtrend in play right now. Yeah, just a downtrend. It's not like a crash or a plummet. We understand how we need to act when we come into the market. All right. So you guys can still see here too, though. I want to show you all this. It's because the trend in ADA is still in play. This is going to be very vital for us to see if buyers are going to appear. Okay, we need to see the buyers appear on this trend line, because if they do, then yes, we're going to see the price in ADA try to break back up above 60 cents. So that is going to be my first price target already, as I expect the price to continue to go lower, right there around 52 cents. That's my first price target. Now I know it's a little, it's only minuscule, but hey, we know how to play in the market. If the market's only going to go down, right, 4%, hey, we need to take that 4% and move on to the next opportunity. Let's check this out though. Let me show you all the 5-day chart though, because I really want to show you all the 5-day chart, because the market here in the next 13 hours is going to definitely tell us whether or not ADA is going to continue to move higher above 60. Okay, we got a lot of volume on this current 5-day price bar, and in the next 13 hours, if we do see the market in ADA close at the low of this current 5-day price bar, yes, we're going to look for the price to come down. Now, again, 52 cents, maybe even 50 cents into the market in ADA. That is where I would be. That is where I'm looking for buyers. I'm trying to get ahead of them, because if we get ahead of them, then we can already be prepared. We'll know when to play and when not to play. Let's look at ADA on the 3-day chart. Okay, so again, these 2 3-day price bars, even this one is currently forming now, is all indicative of selling and weakness. We got to see and recognize these things. Even here on the 2-day chart, into the market in ADA, when you combine these 3 2-day price bars, right? This one, this 2-day price bar, this one, and the current one, all of that is indicative of selling. There's more selling going on into the market right now in ADA. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and play some weakness into the market in ADA. I'm going to look for the price to go down. Okay, and we're going to continue to think that way until we see price in ADA break above 60 cents. We got to see that first. And if price holds 52 cents, then it's increasingly likely that the buyers are going to try to break 60 cents to the upside. Okay, so that's why I'm looking for a price target around 52 cents. It's only 4%. That's it. But if I see buyers coming around 52 cents, then I understand to take the market long and buy the currency and then begin to move the market higher. My second price target is around 50. Okay, that gives us 7.75% movement into the market in ADA. I definitely want to see the market hold 50 cents though. If we do see market in ADA hold 50 cents, okay, then that's going to tell us that the buyers are definitely still in position, right? If we see the market just come in and bounce off 50 cents, then that tells us that we're going to break up above 60 cents later on throughout the year. Okay, I'm just dropping that for you right now. So, third price target is going to be, I would say, around 47 cents. That's around 12-13% movement to the downside in ADA. And I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead and give me your price prediction, your price target into the market in ADA, and let me know where do you all think price is headed. Nothing hard, nothing confusing. We simply pay attention to the money. So let me know if anything on your idea, your price target has changed, because right now we're getting nothing out the market in ADA outside of the market just bouncing and trade within these 2 lines here. That's it really. So let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.